You see, that's where our anger and insecurity come from. It's all the emotional junk we've stored inside over the years. It needs to come out somehow, and that's why we lash out or feel insecure. But here's the deeper truth. The part of you that's watching all of this unfold, the part that's aware of your thoughts and feelings, is the highest, most powerful thing that's ever existed on earth. That awareness, that consciousness, is what God is. Consciousness is the most sacred thing there is. It's even at the heart of what quantum physics is discovering. It's the most spiritual and beautiful thing science has found, besides what the enlightened masters have always known. Quantum physics is all about the search for truth, and it has led to some surprising discoveries. At first, we might look at something like a piece of wood and think it's solid, but that's not really true. When you look closer, you find that it's made of molecules. But then, if you look even closer with a more powerful microscope, you see that molecules are actually made of atoms. Dig deeper still, and you'll find that atoms are made of smaller parts: electrons, neutrons, and protons. But wait, there's more. Even those particles are not the smallest building blocks. They are made of even tinier particles called quarks, bosons, and leptons, which make up protons and neutrons. For example, 2 up quarks and 1 down quark make a proton, while 2 down quarks and 1 up quark make a neutron. So everything we see, touch, and are made of is built from these tiny particles. But here's the catch. When you dig even deeper, you find that these particles are not solid things either. They are not particles in the way we usually think of them. Instead, they are waves in a field, like ripples in water. These wave-like disturbances give us the appearance of particles, but in reality, there are no particles at all, just fields that make waves. Now, what are these fields made of? This is the point where even the smartest quantum physicists say, we don't know. They know that the fields are everywhere, that they explain how the universe behaves, and that they match what we observe in the world. But what the fields themselves are made of? No idea. This is where ancient spiritual wisdom comes in. Thousands of years ago, without microscopes or modern science, great spiritual masters meditated deeply and found their own answers. They said that at the deepest level, everything is made of consciousness. By going inward, they discovered that the essence of the universe is not just physical, but spiritual.